G'day guys, back again. I thought I might just try to pick my way through those padlocks which Murdoch sent me in that great package. Yeah, thanks again, mate. This is one of them, a guard. It's the pinning on it, little 5-pinner. With the keys, mate, not a problem. It's an MS blank. It's not an MS2 because that's a 4-pinner, so it must be MS3, maybe 4. But I'll get the I'll cut those, not a problem. Yeah, it works fine. I'll chuck this in the vise. I don't do any hand picking. I can't. I'll lose all once I. Yeah, I don't know how you guys do it. Must be an acquired skill, which I don't have. But I lose all feel and sensation once I sort of grip something. But that's just me. So I'll stick to the old vise. I don't know how Murdoch does it in hand. It's fucking legendary in my eyes, mate. I couldn't do it. Okay. Yeah, try the key again, that sort of thing. It's fine. I'll tell you what, I'll have to spend a day. This bench is absolutely putrid. I mean, not in smell, but just a bloody pigsty. There's crap everywhere. Oh, I don't know, that's bloody gone. Anyway, I'll get this one. Use the old Devs Evers. See how we go. Bit of slop in the old girl. Anyway, let's give it a shot. It's getting pretty gnarly in the weather-wise at Adelaide today. Bloody cold. Bit swirly out there. A little bit of light rain. Yeah, not happy with that. I love the heat. But, you know, we can't have it. Can't have the heat 24 hours every day of the year, I suppose. Be nice, but. Yeah, I don't think I'm really fiddling with that springy tension wrench. Like this, something else. I think I'm going to maybe want to make one of those Chris Capoon designed top of the keyway type wrenches. I like that idea. Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Phew, beautiful. That was a tough little bastard, that one. Yeah, alright, so there we go. One down. I think it's probably 6 to go. And they're going to, trust me, they're going to progressively get bloody harder, so yeah. Alright, well, that's, yeah, I'm not going to take these apart, but these are gifted to me, so so in relation to that, they'll stay in one piece. Definitely spools in that, I would think. That's the, that's the impression I got anyway. I was getting a bit of counter. So yeah, guard. I'm supposed to time 6 minutes. Whew, I might try this one too. This is another one he sent me. Was it tri-circle? Yeah. Never tried a tri-circle. Picking one. See them out there. If I ever come across these and someone's lost the key, I'll just get the old jaws of life out, so to speak. I wouldn't go. I mean, if it's lost the key and you pick it open, you just end up with a dead weight. You wouldn't waste your time and the effort to impression the key for it. Not for this one. But in saying that, some people do collect them, these keys as well. So these not keys, these locks. I think Black Dolphin's into these ones, and William Mansell's got a few, and I think my Canadian mate, Mr. Murlock, he's got some in his collection as well. So they're not a bad looking lock actually. Let's take the keys off so I can test it. Yeah, it works fine. It's the bitting, another little 5-pinner. Yeah, again, this is from Murlock, so it's staying in one piece. I'm not going to touch it. If it was my own, I couldn't give a rat's. I'd just be destroying it, or destructing it, disassembling it to expose the innards. But this one, like I said, it's a gifted to me, so it's staying in that in its condition as I received it. So anyway, same again. I'm in the vise. Give it a go. Yeah, I've shaken the key, so it's fine. Oh, that's not going to work. It's binding up on the core straight away. Gee, look at the slop in that core. Yeah. Wow. I've never seen a core that bad. I think the guy on the production line that day must have, when he bored the holes out, or set the machining to bore the hole, he must have pushed a few extra numbers, I think, because that core plug is not in very good condition for that hole. So anyway, you get what you pay for, I suppose. Yeah, I give it a crack. Oh, got a bit of rotation there, so it's got some Chinesium spools in this for sure, I think. A little bit problematic too because the keyway's so. We'll get a bit of counter. There you go. Got it. Yeah, got a bit of counter on one there too. So definitely got Chinesium blob spools in them, I would say. So there we go. So that's going back in that box as a collectible for me. But at the end of the day, like I say, I don't collect, but I'm not going to give these away, or no way. These are gifted to me. I don't, yeah, if someone's put the time and effort and the care of giving something, I think you should keep it for what it is, as a gift. So that's where it's going to stay. like Mike Murdoch says, you know, and some of his padlocks he's going to take with him to the final journey. So when I kick the fall off the perch, I'll make sure everything that's been gifted to me is going with me too. Although I'm going to be burnt, so I don't know what the melting point for brass is, but oh, a bit morbid I know, but yeah, that's fact of life, unfortunately. Yeah, so that's those two. That'll do for now, I think, 10 minutes. And I'll work my way through the other padlocks. Like I said, some of these are going to get progressively difficult. This one here, I haven't touched it yet because I'm not even going to bother. I've tried, all I've done is that one here. Is that, yeah, oh, come on, focus. Yeah. It's a pretty gnarly keyway for a bloody lockout. That's crazy, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to need a thinner pick. It's really, yeah. All I'm getting is just, yeah, getting bound up between the wardings all the time. And this is one of Daz's. You can let me know, Daz. I think these are 23 thou. I haven't measured them, to be honest with you. So I'm going to leave these at 18 thou to get in there. So I'm not going to even bother with this pick because I'm just going to get no feedback at all. What I want to do is just bind up on the warding, and yeah, finding a tension wrench too that works. Probably need something like that, but probably half the thickness to get in there. But yeah, that's the key one. Yeah, pretty gnarly for a bloody, yeah. Lockout, tag out, it's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner, yeah. It works fine. It's actually spring loaded. So that's not a, yeah. But yeah, that's going to be at another time. I haven't got the tools to even begin to get into that. I've only got a very small selection of picks, and most of them are all 23 thou anyway. Yeah, like I said, I've tried. Cannot. Yeah, you're scraping all the bloody warding, and you're getting. Yeah, it's not very nice. So there you go. Give that one another time. Yeah, so that'll do for now, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later, and goodbye.